dash of Delish,
where we make recipes of mystery ingredients.
Last time we made chocolate chip cookies and a mystery ingredient was marshmallows. They turned out amazing.
What are we making today?
We're making a grilled cheese with our mystery ingredient.
Right here, which you'll have to watch to figure out what it is. Let's get cooking.
First, you need cheese, any type or your favorite, or a mix.
Then you need bread. You can use your favorite type. We usually use white bread, but now we're using honey wheat because that was the only thing they had at the store.
And mayonnaise. And the secret ingredient. Cut the cheese or grate it if you have a grater.
And then you also put mayo on top of your bread. One slice right now. We will do the other side later. First, you take the mayo bread off the top.
And then you put the cheese on the bread.
Yes, you do. Let's see. I'm just gonna we have a lot of cheese, but it doesn't. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, perfect.
You put the cheese on the bread. And the secret ingredient is rosemary.
And you just sprinkle this on top of the cheese
To make it extra flavor.
Yes, to make it very nice and yummy. Woo. Now that you've got the bread assembled, you're going to take it over to either a pan, which you would probably put on the stove, or one of these.
Which I don't know what name is because
Neither do I.
maybe they're called.
So you're just going to take the bread and hopefully
handles.
Preheated it, and you're going to flip it onto the top.
Now flip it onto the side where the mayo is, and then you take the mayo and spread it on the other side of the bread.
You want to spread it before the other side gets burnt. So you want to do it immediately after you put the bread on. Like so.
And the reason we're putting the mayo on is because it makes an extra flavor and more crispy. So
it makes a nice
bread.
Yeah, it makes it crusty.
Yeah, so if you don't like crusty or don't put the mayo on, just do it if you like.
But you can also put butter on.
Yeah.
You can also put butter on if you want instead, but we use mayonnaise.
Because it's better. It's better used if you don't have mayonnaise.
Oh,
butter.
Right. And you're also supposed to have a flipper thingy. We take it off the stove after about a minute. That's good. And put it straight on here. Hot, guys. Don't put your hand on it right after the stove. It hurts. Ooh, it smells terrific. Okay, so now we're going to taste it. It's still really, really hot. Rosemary. Oh yes. Now we will rate it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So why do you really like it?
The rosemary adds a big flavor to it, and it goes very well for mine. And I think I'd chop the rosemary up next time. I love the taste, but I don't like the long pieces. So you should chop the rosemary up.
I agree exactly with Asher. It's super good, brings out a flavor, and yes, it's so much easier to chop the rosemary up because it's very hard. Like when you eat it, there's like a long strip of green rosemary in your mouth. You probably want to make it in smaller pieces. And when you make it in smaller pieces, you can spread it all throughout the grilled cheese.
The thing we have to say is, have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.